Welcome back, everybody. We just wanted to highlight our 2025 year and all of the cool projects we had going on.
We don't do much gardening during the winter growing season, so every spring we have to get back out there and clean up and start over again. It's like a bear coming out of hibernation. Seems like every spring I want to try something new. So these are raised beds with the functionality of a row with salvaged wood that I found.
Feels pretty weird installing carpet in the garden, but it said fuzzy side up.
You think just like wrap things? Here's something that really never gets old. Pulling weeds. We do it all spring and all summer. She loves to help out in the garden, and she really loves to get dirty too.
Girl and her goats.
We got some baby goats to help out on the property. Their names are Millie Jo and Bitsy Ann, and they are just so cute.
Really? Is it summertime? Is it hot? So I tried the covered bed, but I guess I need better plastic because it just deteriorated over winter. This didn't work.
Our protector.
at this one, Mama.
What is it?
It's a tomato.
Awesome. Okay, go ahead.
Dad, look! Look at that, Daddy.
They love this good rainwater. Smile.
And I saw it on the Self-Sufficient Money, his channel. I like his channel, so this is what I saw and I'm gonna try it out.
Okay, we're up and running. This is literally the most basic hydroponic setup. What?
That one tiny mini pumpkin. I think that's all we're... I mean, unless they live past these freezes, I don't know.
I wonder how come our pumpkins did so good that one year.
Well, I did. I mean, we planted them earlier.
What are we doing?
We're about to have a freeze, 2 freezes, not tonight, but tomorrow night and the next night, supposedly. So we're about to get everything out of the garden before it dies.
Yeah.
Mainly tomatoes.
Mainly maters.
Mm-hmm. There's some big old guys in here. Pretty heavy. You're Pears take a long time to ripen. I don't know if it's because they're so big or what. Beautiful.
Man, beef. I think those are beef steak. Pickle.
I'm gonna put some flowers in that bucket too so it smells good.
I guess I'm just gonna let them in here and go to town.
Yeah.
Texas weather. We're gonna get a freeze, and then next week it's gonna be 85 again.
Yeah.
That's just how it be.
One more moment for my zinnias.
I love how stuff will just randomly grow places.
Yeah.
What do they call them? Volunteers?
I think it would be
Yeah.
scenic drive, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Good work. Good job.
Look, here's one in the onions. Keep running in the onions. Kind of.
Is that Noah? Maybe last year. Just barely 2. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
As we start the new year, I like to reflect on all the great times we've had and think about how far we've come on this little property.
We thank all of our viewers so much and wish everyone a great year.